Welcome to this new meditation to know and balance your chakras. Knowing and aligning this dimension of your being will allow you to have greater control and awareness of your spiritual power and emotions. Thus, you will better prevent disease and live more aligned to your inner truth. To begin this practice, forget any distractions and focus on the here and now. Take a comfortable posture, either sitting or lying down, in which you can relax peacefully. Close your eyes and let every part of you begin to relax. Your mind focuses only on my voice and your breathing. With each cycle of breathing, you become lighter and freer. This way, you begin to become more aware of your energetic body. It becomes stronger when you relax, as you are doing now. And this more spiritual dimension moves the prana, or vital energy, which is what really sustains and nourishes you and the entire universe. Such energy is found in abundance in the air you breathe. You continue to relax more and more. Imagine that flow of pure energy coming into your chest and then coursing through your entire energetic body. This energy body is a double of light that coexists within your physical body. Imagining it reminds you that you are a humble channel of living energy. Breathe deeply and silently, settling this image of yourself into your consciousness. Once you have this clear, it's time to locate your chakras. There are 7 main chakras shaped like vortexes and aligned along your spine. From the first red chakra at the base to the pink one at the crown of your head. These 7 energy centers are connected by a river or current of this universal vital energy. Enjoy a moment visualizing this river of colors within you, flowing in parsimony. Now, let's start to know and balance each of your chakras. Take a deep breath and bring your attention to the base of your back. From here, imagine a red flower opening downward, rooting you into the earth. In doing so, you awaken your instinct and trust in Mother Earth, your abundance and connection to the here and now. This flame also burns toxins in your body to regain vitality and health. You take a deep breath, sealing the work in your first chakra. Now, move your attention to your second chakra. It is located in your lower abdomen. It looks like a radiant orange disc projected forward. Imagining it evokes happiness and joy. Allow this orange color to radiate through your body, awakening your creativity and passion for life. take a deep breath to seal your work in the second chakra and move to the third. This is located at your solar plexus, or the pit of your stomach. It is like a bright sun projected forward. Its powerful yellow color expresses your willpower, the power to transform your thoughts into actions, just as your stomach transforms nutrients into food. Take the following pause to imagine this bright sun within you, keeping the flame of your will alive. Take a deep breath, sealing your work in the third chakra to move on to the fourth. The fourth chakra is located in the center of your chest. It's like a beautiful emerald green crystal. It invites you to take a deep breath and open your heart. This crystal in the center of your chest expands love and compassion for yourself and all beings, just as we all share the air we breathe. Imagine this beautiful crystal of love shining in your heart, and let yourself be flooded with compassion and love. Take a deep breath, and now focus your attention on the fifth chakra, located in your throat. Now, imagine the area of your neck covered with a beautiful sky blue color. This is the chakra of truth, to be kept clear and fresh like the sky on a nice spring day. Silently imagine your neck flooded with this blue. Use it to find your truth and be congruent. Take a deep breath, and now focus your attention on the sixth chakra. Imagine a beam of violet light projecting from the center of your brain to the front. It is like a lighthouse projecting a soft light, but that light penetrates shadows and illusions to see beyond the material. Balancing it helps you focus and be intuitive. Imagine this soothing lighthouse of indigo light to guide your path amidst the darkness. Now, focus on the seventh chakra, located at the crown of your head. It is like a tornado or vortex, a very light pink color, projected skyward. Take a deep breath and feel your direct connection to God through it. This chakra is activated whenever you pray or search for a purpose that gives meaning to your life. Its balance also helps you sleep better and without interruptions. Take a deep breath. Now, move on to closing the balancing process you just did on your chakras. Visualize them in balance and harmony, sharing their vital energy with all your body. Your body now gets covered with a beautiful golden light, which seals the effect of this meditation. With your chakras balanced And each time you meditate on them, you will attract health, happiness, and harmony. And so be it. Take a few more moments to seal this bath of golden light, which will protect and accompany you every time you visualize it. Thank yourself for embracing your spirituality and renewing your being with this meditation. And when you wish, open your eyes to enjoy a new day.